compulsory. These are there. Yes. Sir, verification means whenever an application is there, for example, we want to take calculator, assume example. Sir, first I have to verify this calculator. What I have to verify means all buttons are available, not available, 0 to 9, yes, available. Arithmetic operators available, yes, available. For the result editor, minimize, maximize, close, every button is there. That is called as verification. So verification means all the fields and everything is available, not available, called as a verification. Validation means is it working or not working? That is called as validation. For example, you can go to buy a mobile, whether it is a new mobile or second, whatever is there. First, I have to verify the mobile. Suppose it is second-hand mobile, I have to verify how look and feel is there. If any scratches are there, everything we have to check, color and everything. After that, we have to validate. We are clicking on the buttons and everything. That is validation. Same. If you want to buy some grapes, go to the shop. First, we have to see look and feel how it is there. After that, we have to taste it. If taste is good, we can buy. Sir, wherever you can go, both should be there compulsory, verification and validation, compulsory. First, I have to see look and feel. If look and feel is okay, then only I can buy, otherwise no. Sir, suppose I want to check a page, login page or something. First, I have to verify username, password, login, reset, available or not available? Yes, available. It is a verification, static testing. So without performing any operation, I have to test an application. That is called as a verification. Observe carefully. Yo. So 1 second. Verification and validation of software called as what is it? Verification means whether the software is correctly implemented or not. Sir, working or not working later on. First of all, properly, the software properly and correctly implemented or not implemented, I am checking. That is called as verification. That's why it is also called as static. So suppose you want to buy a bike, sir. Second-hand my bike or new bike, whatever is there. First, we have to check look and feel, yes or no, whether it is a good or not, what it is we are checking. If it is okay, then we can go for test drive. Test drive. And if everything fine, then we can buy it. Same process here also. Yes. So verification means whether application correctly implemented or not implemented. But validation means is it properly working or not working. So both these two are called as testing. Validation means the implemented software meets the customer requirements or not. It is also called as dynamic testing. Static means verification, dynamic means validation. Both are called as a software testing. Sir, what is the purpose of testing? We can give quality application to the customer. Sir, if testing fails, everything should be failed. Yes. Nowadays, testing more important to every application. So, software testing will help to deliver reliable application to the means quality application, sir. Sir, example, not only application, okay, as a what we can subject wise also. Sir, if you are not given good subject, proper subject, only first batch students will be there. Next batch anyone can join, no one will come to my classes. Always we can give better quality, then only students will come. If you are not given proper subject, good subject to the members, no one will join, sir. Yes. Quality very, very important. If you are missing quality, next onwards, no one will come into the classes. That is, I am telling you. Very most important thing, quality is the subject wise also. Yes. So now, what is the main objective? What is the main objective? Okay. The objective of software testing is identify the defects. Software testing is to identify defects. What is a defect? When those are resolved, immediate student question is what is defect? Because of main intention of software testing is to identify defects. If those are resolved, then software quality will be increased. Yes. Very good. So defect means observe carefully. So everywhere we are expecting something. For example, if you go to calculator, assume. So I want to do some calculations. Some 4 into 5. What is expected result? 20 is expected. But what is actual result? We don't know. So here we have 2 results are there. One is expected results. Okay, fine. Second one, actual results. So what is expected? 5 into 4, 20. For example, if it is not coming 20, 9 came, assume 9 came. Instead of 20, 9 came. So something goes wrong. Mismatch is happened between these two. My expected actual is not mismatching. That is called as a defect. So the deviation between expected result, actual result is called as a defect, because whatever I am expecting, it is not coming as an output. Or something is happened because of this defect only. That is called as a defect. but it is defect. So defect means it is a deviation between expected results and actual results. AUT. So what is full form AUT? Application under test. Which application I am testing, that is called as AUT. Suppose if I am checking calculator, that is my AUT. If I am checking any other application, that is my AUT. So some companies, suppose if I am calling defect, some company called as issue. So defect can also called as an issue or incident or all are same only. Issue, incident, or fault. Sir, if you have any doubt, please use chat panel, type there. Even if it is small dot, whatever is there, please type in chat panel, use that. I will tell to you. Okay, fine. So that is called as a defect. Second word, bug. What is the bug? Sir, general meaning of bug. Go to the Google. See, bug means a small insect, black chota wala. Small insect, see. A small insect. So generally, who are staying in hostels? Suppose whenever tomorrow if you coming to Hyderabad hostels, in hostel beds, a small insect wala is available. Small insect wala. In Telugu, we can call nallulu. In English, small black chota wala. Whenever you are sleeping, always it is coming and disturbing your sleeping. Small chota wala. That is a bug. So why they are given that name to here? Because of this bug, my application is disturbed. My application is not working properly. That is called as a bug. But what is a bug means? Sir, who is identified defective? Tester. Test engineer. Whenever tester identified, immediately he will intimate it to the developer. Because, sir, sometimes as a tester we did some mistakes. Yes, chance is there. Whenever I am intimating to the developer, again developer will rechecking, yes, whether it is correct or not correct. Wow, it is a valid defect, correct. If developer is accepted, then only it is a bug. Otherwise, it's not a bug. So whenever tester identified defect, intimated to the developer, if the developer is accepted, then it is a bug. Yes. See here. When developers are accepted defects, and those are called as bugs. Because every time it's not a correct, because sometimes maybe system configuration or maybe at execution net too slow or whatever problems are there, reasons are there. We did a mistake, then it is not a bug. Whenever if I'm intimated developer, if the developer is accepted, then only it is a bug. Third word, what is failure? Failure means, sir, as a tester, I am not able to identify defect. Something defect is in application. But after releasing the application, end user got the defect, end user. That is failure. Sir, general word it is a. Generally, normal, array, whenever you are to, suppose if I'm asking, my friend is asking, I want to buy a car. Can I go for so-and-so car? That is a failure model. You can go so-and-so model. Like that we are telling. Failures means when it is failure. Whenever it is reaches to end users, user getting defect end user, then it is a failure. Seriously, because see, there are so many cars, bikes are there, but some bikes, cars will become very popular. Some are failure models. As if you can ask anybody, I want to purchase something, so and so means they are telling me that it's a failure product. Don't go for that one like that. Failure means whenever defects are reached to end users. No. If it is a bug, developer compulsory accepted. No. See, test manager is there, project manager, so many people are there. If it is a bug, Pakka developer should accept it. If it is not accepted, then meeting will be conducted in the everyday meetings conducted na daily stand-up meeting. In that, then we will prove how it is a bug. Okay, na? Not like that. Chirag Bhatia. Definitely, if sometimes we did mistake, sometimes tester mistake, then developer will intimate it. Hey, please check your system. Maybe so-and-so database is missing, so-and-so server is missing. That's why, like that. If seriously it is a bug, Pakka developer accepted. Otherwise, we have managers are there, test lead is there, project manager is there, scrum master is there, product owner is there, client is there. No. If seriously it is a bug, Pakka developer is accepted. So now, when defects are reached to end users, then those are called as failures. One more word here. So here 4 words I am telling: defect, bug, failure, error. Defect means the deviation between expected result and actual result. Bug means if developer is accepted, it is a valid, then the bug. Failure means defects are reached to end users. Then we are calling failure product like that, error. So generally, why application not working? Because of coding mistakes, logical syntax mistake, human mistakes while developing an application. Syntax and logical errors. So here 4 words are there: defect, bug, failure, error. Now see, I will give some clarity. Because of these 4 words, I want to explain to you. Yes, see. Take 4 parts. Okay, done. So the first word, defect. Second word, failure. Four words are there. Assume carefully. So defect means tester identified the defect. Who is identifying? Test engineer identifying the defect. That is just now explained. So you will get some clarity. Unable to see the screen now. 1 second. Now is it visible? Now is it okay? MS Paint. MS Paint I opened. Yeah. So now see. Defect means as a test engineer, I am calling as a defect. Whenever I am intimating to the, I'm intimating to the developer. If the developer is accepted, then it is a bug. Same defect going to end user. End user means customers. He will feel failure. Within program, logical and syntax mistakes. Error. So observe here, carefully observe. 4 words are there, sir. Defect, bug, error, failure. As a test engineer, I am calling defect. Once intimated to the developer calling as a bug. So no one is identified after releasing application. End users who are using application in live, end users, they are telling failure. Sir, sometimes nowadays, do you know, everyday general example, Google you are using. Whenever you can send money, anyone getting this type of, I am facing so many times. Google, whenever I can send money to my friend Google, in my account money is detected, but he is not getting money. It is giving one message, oh, your money is under process, please wait. After 1 or 2 days, it will be created to that account or maybe my account. Yes or no? Google Pay. Now seriously getting problem in the Google Pay nowadays. Whenever money transfer, it is detected from our account, but it is not going to that person, corresponding person. It will take 1 or 2 days time. So same problem I am raising every time. Anyone can use Google Pay? No. We can go for PhonePe or Paytm. So that is called as failure. So suppose you want to go to movie, in the mobile book my show app is there. You can book the tickets. So your money was deducted, but tickets was not confirmed. What to do? Call to the customer care and process everything. After that, money is coming back like that. So defect reaches to end user directly. That is failure of that product. Sir, have you observed here? Carefully observe. Sir, I want to wish a person good morning in English. I want to tell good morning. Generally, morning time everyone is wishing good morning. If I want to tell in Telugu. Shubhodayam. If you want to tell in Hindi, Suprabhat. If you want to tell in Kannada, Tamil, now see. Anyone please tell here, good morning, Subhodayam, Suprabhat, Kale Vanakkam. 4 words are 1, 2, 3, 5 words are there. But the context is same or not? Yes, same only. In English, I am telling good morning. In Telugu, I am calling Subhodayam. In Hindi, I am calling Suprabhat. Kannada, I am telling Subhodaya. In Tamil, I am telling Kale Vanakkam. Same applicable here also. What I want to tell to you, convey is tester calling as a defect. As a test engineer, I am calling a defect. Developer calling bug. End user feels failure. Within program mistakes, error. Sir, here 4 different words are there. The context is the same. Everyone, are you getting it? Whatever I want to tell. Please type in chat. Everyone getting it? Defect, bug, failure, error. Chirag, yes. Shravani, yes. Sir, only 2-3 members are active. Remaining all what they are doing. Rajkumar, yes, very good. Girish, yes. Yes, error means Lakshmi. To develop an application, developer they can write the program, Lakshmi. Either they can use Java or they can use Python or Angular, .NET, whatever is there. Some coding is compulsory. That is also later on upcoming classes we will discuss. Coding, programming. So in programming, something mistake is there. Then only it is coming to the defect mistake in the application. So within the code, If any mistakes are there, logical syntax, those are called as error. Suppose have you written any C program, C++ program? Lakshmi, what is your background? BTech branch. What is your graduation? BTech or MCA? No, in Python. Okay. Suppose you know Python. Do you know Python? Is it okay? No problem. A small program only. Yeah. Whenever you can write in program, Python program, indentation problem is there. What it is? Problem. Once you can declare function, def so and so function, colon is required. If any indentation wrong, mistake you are getting or not. So within the program, any logical syntax mistakes are there, those are called as error. Lakshmi. Okay. Yes. So that is what I want to tell. How good morning, Subhodayam, Suprabhat, Subhodaya, Kalevanakam, different words, context is the same. Same here also, defect, bug, error, failure. 4 different words, but the context is the same only. Yes, same context. So that is developer only. Who is written program? He is only the responsible. Developer only, Lakshmi. Because he is written program, mistakes are there, he is only responsible. Because of that error, front-end application is not working. That's why as a tester, we can find out those mistakes. Sure, okay. That is the defect, bug, error, failure story. Next, coming to the, this is defect, bug, failure, error. Sir, every project, some activities are there. Some of the activities. For every project, sir, whatever project is there, first activity is coding. Yeah, please carry on, tell. Here, why I am here? For your doubts only, Lakshmi, tell, what is your doubt? Any doubt, you can ask me, no problem. Please go ahead. You can type in chat panel. You can type in chat panel. I will read your doubt loudly and I can tell to everyone whatever doubt you are asking. Na, because present in this Zoom, whenever GoToMeeting is there, then you can unmute, no problem. It is a demo link. Na, that's why unmuting in the organizer means Durgasoft team, they are managing. That is the reason. After 2-3 classes, GoToMeeting will be there. Then you can unmute, you can speak Lakshmi. Now, whatever doubt, you can ask me, no problem. Type in chat panel. So at the time of application, in auto testing time, in auto, oh, in manual testing, when something is passed successfully, in automation you are getting error. Okay. No. If manual testing everything completed, automation testing also a result will be provided. I will tell those things at the time of automation testing. Definitely, if manually it is passed, definitely automation will be passed. If not passed means something goes wrong in our coding. Whatever Selenium you call na, in that coding errors. Yes. Coding error only. Error in automation testing we can call errors. Programming mistakes. Sir, see. Sir, first every project coding should be there. General, who will do coding? Developers. So you don't bother about that. For that, there is one life cycle is there, that is SDLC, software development life cycle. So coding means writing programs by using programming language, either Java, .NET, Python, Angular, to develop an application. It is performed by developer. Second one, testing will be done by SDLC. Who will do? Test engineer. Software testing life cycle. Testing definition just now I am given. Validating one application based on client requirements is called as a testing. See that so many people will be there. Test manager, senior test engineer, test lead, test engineer training like that. So for testing, we have one life cycle. The life cycle is SDLC, software testing life cycle. The peoples are manager is the highest. Next a lead, next to senior engineer, next engineer or once I am identifying defects, sir, what is our role? I am intimated to the developer. Defect reporting. For that one life cycle is there, PLC, but life cycle. Who will do? Test engineer. So first coding will be done by SDLC, software development life cycle developers. Testing will be done by test engineer, software testing life cycle will be there. Test manager, test lead, senior test engineer, or test engineer or trainee. Once I'm identifying defects, what is our role? We are intimating to the developers. BLC, bug life cycle. So at the time of manual testing, sir, three life cycles are important. SDLC, STLC, BLC. Sir, whenever I'm identifying defects, intimated to developer, what the problem is there, they will do debugging. So developer will take care. You don't bother about that. Debugging means, sir, why defects are present in application? Because something goes wrong in application. Something mistakes are there in the coding. Yes. In the coding mistakes are there. Bug life cycle, Shyam Bhargavi. Bug life cycle, BLC. I will tell one by one, don't bother. Bug life cycle. I will tell no issues. Okay. So bug. So debugging means bug. Sir, why the bugs are presenting? What is the problem in the coding? Where we are identifying, that is called as debugging developers. Means coding checking, sir. Developer, they can check the coding where the mistake is there. Finally, they can resolve it. Bug fix means they can change the source code and modifying the coding and resolving the errors and give application bug fixing. So any project, these activities are common. First coding activity, developers will do. Next testing activity, tester will be do. Further two life cycles, SDLC, STLC, BLC. If you know these three life cycles, your manual testing is over. Software development life cycle, software testing life cycle, bug life cycle. Debugging means step-by-step execution to identify root cause for an error, why defects are there, that is. After that, they can change the source code and they can fix the bug fixing developers. So these activities are common. The next software testing methods. How many types of software testing methods are there? Generally, everybody knows about that. Only two are there. Manual and automation, only two are there. Yes. Tomorrow class, I will tell this story, complete story. What is manual? What is automation? But basic idea, you know. But I want to tell complete story about those things. So now tell. Any doubts you have? So tomorrow onwards, if you are okay with my lecture and everything, just you have to call that number. First, you have to have a number given, and payment registration you have to do it. Once payment done, I will take numbers and I will create the WhatsApp group. The materials I will share, recordings I will give, pre-recorded videos, everything. If you're okay with my lecture, then slowly do the payment procedure and everything, registrations and those things. Now, any doubts, please tell. No doubts? Yes, I will give one number. Yes. I will give one number. Please contact this number, everyone. They will give bank account details, fees details, and everything. This is the number. 720-721-2427. You will get complete details. Yes, complete testing. No, present only evening only class. Morning later on we'll start. Present evening 6 o'clock only. We can cover complete manual, 2 months duration, Lakshmi. First manual, next Selenium with Java, after that real-time concepts, advanced of Selenium. 3 modules I will tell. 2 months is the duration. These details yesterday explained in the demo session. That's why today I didn't discuss it. Manual, little bit less days only. Manual hardly will take 20 like that days only. Main Selenium will take 40-45 days. Selenium more content is there. The manual completely theory part only, Chandra. Very simple manual, only definitions, theoretical part only. No, not Selenium with Python. That is the separate batch. Here I am telling Selenium with Java and the real time what is going on there in the company is those only. Selenium with Python, that is a different batch, separate course it is here. Already know Python, so no problem. Selenium with Java is very easy, Lakshmi. If you looking Selenium with Python, you can join another batch. It is manual Selenium with Java. See, if you know Selenium with Java, Python conversion is very easy, Lakshmi. Training is not required because already you know Python a little bit. Whenever Selenium with Java program I'm telling, same you can convert into Python. It's very easy. But first Selenium with Java compulsory. Then you can go Selenium with Python. It's very easy. Directly if you go for Selenium with Python, some more little bit, okay? That is you can decide. That is your wish. You can decide. But my suggestion, if you go to this, parallelly you can convert those programs into Python. Just simple, modules and those things only you can change. In the Python, Selenium WebDriver modules are there. Not required. If you don't know anything, no problem. I will take care of everything. Selenium with Python also same. 40 days course only. Selenium with Java and Python, both same times, same duration. Yes, sir. Okay, guys. Yes, thank you, everyone. So tomorrow also same link. 6 o'clock session will be started. Bye, everyone. Thank you, everyone. After manual automation will start. After manual automation will start. Minimum 20 days. After that, automation will be starts.